So I was explained in the last lecture horticulture and gardening, their definition and objectives. In the objective, we learn three types, that is production, then processing and marketing. Okay, now we learn the importance of horticulture. In this, I was explained the importance of horticulture in nutrition, right? So the second point is importance of horticulture in hobby. So many people enjoy gardening as a hobby. Horticulture is also a hobby, right? So Mughal emperor like Babur, Akbar, Jahangir, Shah Jahan and other were very much fond of garden and gardening. Next point is in China and Japan, art of bonsai. Bonsai means what is bonsai? Okay. Trees name bonsai. A tree or a shrub that has been dwarfed as by pruning the roots and is growing in a pot or other container. Okay. Is a great hobby of Chinese. Bonsai is a great hobby of Chinese and Japanese. To grow colorful flowers, vegetable flower arrangement, active participation in flower exhibition, etc. are the hobbies of modern man. Okay, these are the hobbies of horticulture. Then terrace garden, terrarium, terrarium, terrarium is a aquarium but grow plant instead of fish. Okay, is a terrarium. Bottle garden, then dish garden, etc. are considered as a part of hobby in indoor gardening. Okay, these are the importance of horticulture in hobby. All of you understand? Next point is importance of horticulture in aesthetic value. Aesthetic value means, tell me, aesthetic value means what? Anyone knows? Horticulture in aesthetic value. Plant grow for plant grow as a beauty, concern with beauty. Okay, so Bangalore city, Karnataka is a popularly called the garden city. Okay, Karnataka is called as a garden city because it has a ornamental trees on the side of wide roads and many beautiful gardens. In North India, Chandigarh is another example of city with aesthetic value. Trees, flower beds, herbs, shrubs beautify the roads, public places, compounds of houses, etc. The plant used as a aesthetic value means as a beautify the environment. That's why plant is used for the beautify the environment. These are the aesthetic value. Okay, a tree have a aesthetic value because they improve property value. Trees add beauty to their surrounding by adding color to an area or softening harsh lines of building, then screening un- unsight views. Okay, In most congested city like Kolkata, Mumbai, ugly structure can be covered by flower plants. Okay, so this is the importance of horticulture in aesthetic value. Now we learn the commercial value. Importance of horticulture in commercial value. So first point is pomology, olericulture, floriculture has a gradually developing into a skillful businesses. So what is pomology? I was explaining you pomology. Answer me. What is pomology? What we cultivate in the pomology? Yes, cultivation of fruits. Then olericulture, cultivation of vegetables, right? And floriculture, cultivation of what we cultivate in the floriculture. Tell me, plants. Okay, cultivation of flowers is a floriculture. Okay, cultivation of flower is called as floriculture. So, cultivation of fruits, cultivation of vegetable, cultivation of flower, gradually developing into a skillful businesses. It influencing the agricultural economy of country. Okay, it influences the agriculture economy of country. Different products are obtained from horticulture such as what are they? First is the raw material for agro based industries, then flower decoration, then fruits. Okay, tell me one example of raw material for agro based industries. Tell me example. Tell me example of agro based industries. What are the raw material we use for the agro based industries? Cotton, right? Cotton and cotton and there are so many examples: synthetic fibers, silk, woolen textile, sugar, edible oil, right? So these are the example of raw material for agro-based industries. Then flowers, flowers for decoration, then veni, gajra, offering to gods, etc. Okay. Then fruit for the jam, jelly, squash, syrups, toffees, etc. Okay. Landscape design, construction and maintenance is a big business. Then nursery management, seed production are having a commercial value. These are the importance of horticulture in commercial value. All of you understand? Now we go to the next point, division of horticulture. In this, horticulture is applied science. You can write the definition of horticulture. Horticulture is an applied science. It is defined as art and science of production, processing, and merchandising of fruits, vegetables, flowers, and ornamental plant. This is the definition of horticulture. Then division of horticulture is divided into the cultivation of plant for food. Means what we write in this point? Cultivation for food, like a fruit and vegetable. Then what we write? What points we write? Cultivation of plant for food, like fruits and vegetable. Different food crop. Okay. Horticulture is divided into two categories. First is plant for food, that is fruit and vegetable. It means you can write pomology and olericulture. Okay. Okay. Plant for food, that is pomology and olericulture, and plant for ornamental, that is what we write in this as a ornamental means contain flowers. So what we write in this? Answer me. What we write? Okay. So plant for ornamental, that is floriculture, and landscape horticulture. So division of horticulture is divided into two categories. First is the cultivation of plants for food, that is pomology and olericulture, and the plant for ornamental, that is floriculture and landscape horticulture. Okay, clear the point? So first is the pomology. It included study of different fruit crops and advantages of existing natural things and different structure many times utilized as a part of landscape gardening. So pomo means fruit and logy is a branch of botany. Okay, pomology means pomo means fruit and logy is a branch of botany, that is study of fruits and its cultivation. Okay, is called as pomology. It included study of different fruit crops and advantages of existing natural things and different structure many times utilized as a part of landscape gardening. This is the definition of pomology. So nursery production is not the fourth point, okay? A कर दो उसको. A is a pomology. Nursery production is A point. So nursery production means place where plants are grown for a transplanting, for use as a stock for budding and grafting, or for sell commercial nurseries products. Okay, this is the nursery production. Very few people realize that foundation of successful fruit industry is a present in nursery. Nursery management deals with first A is a selection of good and suitable seeds, root stocks from disease-free trees. Then proper management and suitable soil. Then pest. Last time I was explained pest in syllabus, right? What is pest? Destructive insect or animal that attack on crops or a food. Okay, is a pest. Then pruning. Pruning is a technique. What we do in the pruning? What is the process of pruning? Tell me the process of pruning. Removing. What removing? Removing of anther. No. What is pruning? Certain plant parts. Right. Removal of any excess or undesirable, unproductive branches, shoots, or any other part of plants is called as pruning. Okay. Removal of any excess, undesirable, or unproductive branches or shoots or any other part of plant is called as a pruning. Then marketing of trees and shrubs. This is the nursery production. Next is seed production. Seed production means okay. Seed production deals with production of seeds of new varieties and strain on commercial scale. Okay, by plant breeders. Plant breeders means a person who cultivates plants in order to improve existing varieties or produce a new ones. These are the plant breeders. Okay. Usually, after a development of new seeds strain, plant breeders has only a small quantities of seeds. He should multiply these seeds to meet demands of all farmers. प्लांट ब्रीडर्स क्या करता है? मल्टीप्लाई द सीड्स. ओके, स्मॉल क्वांटिटी ऑफ सीड्स को क्या करेंगे? वो मल्टीप्लाई करता है लार्ज क्वांटिटी ऑफ सीड्स में. ओके, we have to learn in detail in seed propagation. Next point is, so pomology is the first point and A and B क्या है? Nursery production and seed production in pomology. Then second point is processing and storage of horticultural crops. So the next point is processing and storage of horticultural crops like mango, banana, grapes, citrus, etc. and all aspects regarding cultivation of fruit crops such as transplanting, training, pruning, planting methods, selection of crops, selection of sites, cultivation and marketing. These are the storage of crops or a processing of horticultural crops. Then olericulture. It includes study of different vegetable and all aspects from selection of crops, cultivation and marketing. Means olericulture is the science of vegetable growing. Okay? Science of vegetable growing dealing with the culture of non-woody plants for food. Or olericulture is the production of plant for use for the edible use of the edible parts. Okay? Production of plant for use of the edible part is the olericulture. All of you understand what is olericulture? Okay. Then third point is ornamental horticulture. Ornamental horticulture, that is gardening. Okay, garden may be defined as a place for growing plants. What we grow in the garden? What we grow in the garden? I'm asking a simple question. What we grow in the garden? Plants. So, why not answering? Plants, plant trees, or a flowering plants, right? So a garden may be defined as a place for a growing plants, exhibits various form of plant life, which is directed for a practical or ornamental use for a both. There are two branches है ornamental of horticulture के. What are they? First is the floriculture and second is the landscape gardening. So I was explained floriculture means cultivation of flower. Floriculture is a branch of ornamental horticulture concerned with growing and marketing of flower or an ornamental plant as well as with flower arrangement. This is the floriculture. Okay, it is the art of growing, arranging and selling of flower. क्या करते हैं फ्लोरिकल्चर के अंदर? Growing of flower, arranging of flowers and selling of flower. जैसे हमने हॉर्टिकल्चर की डेफिनेशन क्या देखे? हॉर्टिकल्चर इज अ प्रोडक्शन, प्रोसेसिंग एंड मार्केटिंग. सो सेम फ्लोरिकल्चर क्या है? आर्ट ऑफ ग्रोइंग, arranging and selling of flower, designing garden and arrangement of cut flower is also included in this. Okay, designing करना, designing gardens and arrangement of cut flowers and how to cut flowers, okay, is also included in this. Then landscape gardening. So what is landscape gardening? It consists of planting, then arrangement of home, shade, businesses, establishment, playgrounds. It includes placement of building walk, drives, fences, recreations. Okay, this is the landscape gardening. So here I complete the division of horticulture. All of you understand? Okay. So horticulture divide into two categories. What are they? First is, tell me. Horticulture divide into two categories. All of you understand now? No one answering me. So divide into two categories, that is pomology and olericulture, and other is floriculture and landscape horticulture. Okay, these are the two categories. In the next lecture, I will explain pomology. Okay, we should stop here. Hello, all of you understand na? Division of horticulture. So we should stop here. Thank you.